New arrival this morning. This is a 2024 Range Rover D300 SE, priced at 89,990. Great price, one owner, 10,000 miles. This car will sell, one, because of the colour, Eiger grey. We don't get many big Range Rovers in Eiger. It's then got Shadowline exterior. It's got a contrasting black roof, 23-inch wheels, sliding sunroof. It's a facelift model, so you've got the new system inside with a screen without the dials, which I'll show you later in the video. But I think it's the colour, the price point. It's a 24, so you've got Land Rover warranty and Land Rover assist till 2027. Big optional extra, 23-inch wheels, high gloss black, split spokes. I've spoke to you about the contrast of a black roof. Privacy glass on the back. It looks really, really well there as well. Like I said, and it's one owner. Purchased it yesterday off a gentleman, 10,000 miles. Just a great looking car. Took a depreciation, so it's at the right price point. And it looks well, the grey with a contrast roof. And then round the rear bumpers, you can see you've got that big rear bumper, which is in gloss black. On the all-new Range Rover, the features on it, the standard features are huge. So split folding tailgate, soft closed doors, adaptive cruise, but I'll show you all them later in the video. Boot space is huge. You can even see, and these are little things that I noticed, like the condition of the parcel shelf. Even in the boot, it is immaculate. So whoever's getting this car, they're getting something that's been really well looked after. Them seats drop, they're all electric there as well. I'll show you inside. So we've got soft closed doors, as I've mentioned. Inside, you've got privacy. Gloss black grand veneer, so that's an optional extra. So you've got the gloss black throughout the door cards, the inserts. You can see it's got cabin lighting with the illuminated. It's in purple at the moment. Meridian sound system. Ebony roof lining, I think that's very important. So you've got the black interior with a leather, and then you've got the black ebony roof lining as well. So the cabin's all in black. Rear heated seats. Rear digital climate control. Into the front, let's just talk about the standard features. So blind spot monitoring, memory seats. You can see the gloss black grand veneer which runs through. And then if I climb in, just put your two keys there. This car it's done 10,881 miles. It is like beautiful. You know, sometimes the bits of trim, even though it's a year old, get little marks and things. The leather is stunning, been really well looked after. Sliding sunroof. So that is a paid for option on an SE Range Rover, and even a HSE big Range Rover. You get a glass roof but not opening, so it's got that. Heated wheel, adaptive cruise control. It's the facelift model, so the dials are missing here, so all your climate control and everything works off the side sections of the bigger screen. So your heated seats, your climate control, all works off there. Just show you the camera system. So you've got full 3D surround camera system, and that P there with a circle with park assist as well. It does park itself. Wireless Apple CarPlay, driver assistance. It's got Alexa, wireless charging underneath here as well. Everything you would want in a big luxurious four-wheel drive. Heated wheel, adaptive cruise. Great car this. 89,990. It's probably took 25 to 30,000 pound depreciation from when it was new. It's going live on all our platforms. The number's on the screen if you want to call me. Thank you for watching.